Hello friends, I have some exciting news to share with you. On Saturday, June the 24th, we will be having in-person children workshop on financial literacy with title called How Do People Earn Money? We are organizing this workshop in collaboration with premier educational startup Inspirely STEAM Education. This workshop is specifically designed for children ages 8 to 16 years. It's a fun and playful workshop where your child will be learning about money and different ways people earn it and build wealth. They will also explore differences between people's need versus wants. In addition to educational experience, your child will also receive educational STEM kit as a gift. And of course, having lunch with us at SaveMax headquarters in Mississauga. So friends, mark the date, Saturday, June the 24th at 10 a.m. Let's empower and inspire our next generation. The details are in description. See you there.